Welcome to Money, 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 your weekly personal finance date with me, Surabhi Upadhyay. Insurance, that crucial product that can give you some peace of mind, at least with respect to finances, when you are facing trying situations in life. So yes, we all need insurance, but buying it is perhaps not always the easiest task. Over the last couple of years, a plethora of products have come into the market. Regulation is evolving, as are trends in healthcare, retirement and life planning. So as a policy buyer, what can you expect from insurance providers this financial year? Will products come with more transparency and clarity? Will they be easier to understand? What is the direction of premium costs and how to ensure speedy claim settlement? Joining me to answer some of those questions is Mr. KG Krishnamurthy Rao, MD and CEO of Future Generali India Insurance, and also Pranav Mishra of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us on the show. Great to have you. So I want to start by getting a general overview from both of you about where we stand with respect to insurance penetration and awareness levels in the country. So, Mr. Rao, if I could start with you.
The general insurance penetration in the country has been growing year on year, though still it is only on a GDP scale, it's only 0.8% of GDP. There is a lot of ground to be covered, but over the last few years there has been growth, and as of last year, financial year 15-16, the industry has achieved a premium of close to 1 lakh crore. So this is a significant achievement, and the growth of the industry has been around 13% in the last financial year. It is slightly less compared to 3-4 years back when the industry was achieving around 20% growth. But since general insurance industry is closely tied to the economic growth, as and when the economy GDP growth improves, it's certain that the insurance industry also will show a better performance.
Pranav, what's your experience? I mean, in terms of awareness about not just life insurance, which is the oldest product in the market, but newer areas like retirement-oriented products, pension products. What are the lessons from the last 1 year? What are the trends?
So I think consumer awareness is increasing day by day, and that's where what is leading towards it. People are not taking ad hoc decision of buying a particular policy or an investment. Today they are asking about questions like, if I live too long, can you provide me solution towards it? If there's an early death in my family of a breadwinner, can you provide solutions for it? And that's where, in spite of whatever sluggish growth of economy, we have seen very, very high rising trend in terms of fascination towards pension products, retirement kitty to be created, how do I get annuities. So these are translating in terms of the growth. So if you look at the financial savings data, last year financial savings to the total GDS, gross domestic saving, is increasing. People are buying into more of protection, which is about their family. People are buying more pensions and retirement solutions. NPS is another one category which has come up over last 4-5 years. So you'll see its awareness, its affluence, its consumption, which is leading towards people asking need-based questions, and which is leading towards higher penetration of life insurance as well as products which are dealing with these need goals.
So let's come to the trends for this year, and I'll start with the simplest question. Is insurance going to get costlier? So if we talk about overall about general insurance, we've seen, of course, motor insurance premium, third-party premiums already go up. If you talk about other areas like health insurance, in general, should buyers be prepared for higher premiums?
See, the insurance premiums are linked to the cost, the treatment costs. And if you look at the health sector as such, there is an inflation of close to 15% every year. So the cost of health care is going up 15% plus every year. Naturally, when the link to the claim ratios, the cost of the insurance company for servicing the claims also is going up. So finally, insurance basically is pulling off resources. So naturally, when the claims go up, the prices also are likely to move forward.
So what's the kind of escalation in premium costs that you're expecting overall in the industry?
Though the inflation is 15%, the premiums don't go go up so much. If we can increase penetration, if we can increase the base, the premium increase can be contained to a large extent. So overall, every 3-4 years, there will be around 10 to 15% increase in premium.
And that's only with respect to health insurance, or you're talking about other what about other general insurance
insurance product will be depending upon the cost factor involved and the claims experience. In motor insurance, if you see in the on-damage side, that is the damage to the vehicle, the premiums have been coming down every year because of competition. After de-tariffing, the premiums are reduced almost 40 to 50% of the earlier premium rates. But in the third-party side, because the claims experience is bad and the premium is regulated by the Tariff Advisory Committee, there has been an increase of 15 to 20% every year.
Okay. What about premiums with respect to life insurance? How do you see the trend shaping up this year?
So if I have to just correlate with the fact that the kind of demographics which India is witnessing, India is one of the youngest economy, as we say. We have seen over the last 14 years, the term insurance or the protection product which is sold, the prices have come down by 50% because the mortality experience now everybody has. You are a young economy, so more number of people at a younger age are buying that. And that is translating in terms of good experience, in terms of mortality and things are concerned. And that's where you're finding that the prices of insurance product is coming down. That's on the pure protection side. When it comes to life insurance, saving and investment product, you will see a lot amount of regulation changes. And regulator is very clear. What is good for customer is good for industry and is good for company. And that is also leading towards cost structures getting rationalized and the overall insurance in terms of a cost is coming down.
Okay. Well, those are some general trends. We're going to take a break on that note. But when we come back, we'll get down to the specifics. How do you go about buying the right insurance product? Whether it's life insurance policies, whether it is pension plans, or whether it's the all-important health insurance. We'll get you the basics right after the break.